Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the display driver failed to start on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it says that the display driver failed to start using Microsoft Basic Display Driver. Instant check Windows Update for a newer display driver. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type CMD. Opens up command prompt window. You just need to click on run as administrator over here guys. Wait for it. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now check my video description for these commands guys. Copy it. Device diagnostic. Copy it and tap the bar right click eject and paste it in. Press enter and close out of the command prompt window. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Select the advanced option and check whether the apply repairs automatically is check mark over here and click next and wait for it guys. Apply this fix, click on it and restart your PC. We are made some changes that should fix the problem. Restart your PC for changes to take effect. Save any open files and close all programs before restarting your PC. Select next and continue it guys. Select enable automatically checking the newest drivers on web updated Windows update when the new device is installed. Click on enable. Here is a problem fixed. Windows update configured to never install drivers has been fixed. Your PC must be restarted. You just need to restart it. Click to be fix your problem. Click yes and close the troubleshooter guys. And you just want to restart your computer and check for updates and see if there are any new drivers update available. And you can also update the driver by going device manager. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Expand the display adapter section and you just need to right click on the under the display adapter, whatever is listed over here. You just need to right click on it and select search automatically for drivers, and you just need to get the message the best drivers for your device are already installed, and you just need to select the search for updated drivers on Windows Update and click on check for updates. If anything listed over here guys, you just need to update and install it. After getting done, close out of here and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.